In the dynamic world of digital content creation, PixVerse emerges as a trailblazing platform, revolutionizing the way individuals transform their ideas into captivating visuals. With its powerful features, PixVerse opens up new avenues for creative expression, offering users the ability to seamlessly convert text and images into compelling videos. At its core, PixVerse represents a fusion of simplicity and creativity. This innovative platform understands the diverse needs of content creators and provides two key features that set it apart in the realm of video creation: text to video and image to video. PixVerse's text to video feature serves as a gateway for those who wish to bring their written ideas to life in the form of dynamic video content. When navigating to the PixVerse website, click Get Started on the web page to access the login page. If you already have an account, log in using your email credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. For those with a Discord account, use the Login with Discord option, click Authorize, and you'll be logged into PixVerse. Once logged in, start by navigating to the popular video section to discover a curated list of excellent videos. Click on the My Videos menu to view and manage your creations. The last option in the menu is My Collection, where you can organize your favorite videos. Now let's begin the video creation process. Click the Create button located at the top right corner. After clicking, proceed to the next page to initiate the creation of your video. For text-to-video creation, enter or paste your prompt in the designated prompt box. If there are specific elements you prefer not to include, input a negative prompt. Choose your preferred style from the available options: realistic, anime, or 3D animation. Opt for realistic, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and retain the seed number. Click Create, and PixVerse will work its magic to generate your video. That's it. The result is impressive. If you desire more variations, click Retree to explore different outcomes. If you are satisfied, you can save the video and then proceed to create another. Having successfully created several videos, I can attest to the platform's excellent performance. Now let's move on to image to video. You can upload images from your computer or select from those previously uploaded. Today, I'll choose an image from the uploaded files. If you wish to add a prompt, feel free to do so. In this instance, I'll leave it blank. Adjust the strength of motion. A higher value results in more significant movement. I prefer to adjust it a bit higher. Click Create to let PixVerse work its magic once again. The outcome looks incredibly impressive. In conclusion, PixVerse emerges as a catalyst for creativity, breaking down barriers and making video creation an inclusive and enjoyable process. With its text-to-video and image-to-video features, PixVerse invites users to embark on a journey of imaginative expression, transforming ideas into visually stunning narratives. As this innovative platform continues to evolve, it holds the promise of reshaping the landscape of digital content creation, empowering individuals to share their stories in dynamic and engaging ways. PixVerse is more than a tool, it's an enabler of creativity, inviting everyone to explore the limitless possibilities of video creation.